Looking at all the crap in here. That could be why the throttle sticks too. Oh yeah, there's hay all down. Like all down in there. Like way down in there. That's probably what it is. Well, after a thorough unhaying, cleaning out, and lubrication, the pedal seems to spring back like it's supposed to. Of course, it's wet now. I mean, it's, good lube, but it's wet, so it's going to attract dirt even more. I mean, not that it's like a dirty environment or anything, but if there were any dust or debris, it would be attracted to it, which will make it have to be serviced more often now, which is kind of a bummer. But I still think it's kind of superfluous. I mean, that's all you need right there, that throttle. As far as I'm concerned, that you're not, um, you know, carving up the turns like a Formula One car where you got to really watch your engine speed or something. I mean, you rev it up so the hydraulics are happy and you've got enough finesse in the controls. But whatever, it works. Now put everything back together. I don't know if I should put all this crap back on the floor that came out or not.